Welcome students to our online classes, Subhash English School, subject Environmental Studies, and today we are going to start our chapter 2nd, that is year to year. In this chapter we study about the different features in animals. Some animals whose ear we can see. In this picture we can see different types of animals and they have different kinds of ears. As we can see in the first picture, elephant, it has very big ears like a fan. In second picture we can see mouse. It has very small ears but it can hear very soft and low sound easily. In third picture we can see a rabbit. It has very soft and leafy like ears. In the next picture we can see a picture of dog. It has ear on both sides down and it can also hear low and soft sound like rats. Some animals and insects whose ears we can't see. All these animals belongs different species like sparrow, ant, fish, frog. We can't see its ear. In this picture we see some birds. They had ears but we can't see like peacock, parrot, crane and hen. In this picture we see some birds. They have also ears but we can't see like eagle, pigeon, owl and crow. Some animals whose skin we can recognize animal by their skin. The different patterns on the animals are due to the hair on their skin. In first picture we see the tiger. It has black streaks on it, brown and yellowish skin. We can recognize easily but it helps to hide in long grass in forest area. In second picture we see zebra. It has black and white long strips on whole body. He can hide in forest areas from its prey due to this pattern of skin. In third pictures we see leopard. It has black spots on its skin, so we can recognize easily leopard. In last picture we see deer. We can see a deer. It has small white spots on its browny yellowish skin. Some animals has hair on skin. Fox. Fox has long hair on its skin. Camel. It has hair on its skin. Hair protects camel from sunlight, dust and sand in desert areas. Its skin helps to stop evaporation from its body in hot and desert area. Some animals has feathers on skin. Feathers help to fly birds like pigeon and hen. Some animals give birth to the babies like dog, lion, cow, horse and elephants, etc. Some animals lay eggs to give birth to their babies like hen, snake and other birds. Dinosaur. Millions of years dinosaurs found on the earth, but due to some natural hazardous disasters they washed out from earth. But at some places fossils of dinosaur found. So we can say the existence of dinosaur was on the earth. They were found the biggest creatures of the earth. In this picture we see tiger. The tiger is our national animal. We can see tiger in this picture. It belongs cat family. We can say big cat also to the tiger. It is carnival animal and it is our national animal. It eats other animals. स्टूडेंट्स, इस चैप्टर में हमने सीखा कि अलग अलग बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स और क्रिएचर की अपनी अलग अलग विशेषता होती है जिसके कारण वे अपने आप को सर्वाइव करते हैं और अपना अस्तित्व बनाए रखते हैं। हमने जाना कि जैसे कि बर्ड्स उनके पंखों की हेल्प से एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर जाते हैं। हमने इस चैप्टर में वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के बारे में भी जाना, जैसे कि लाइक टाइगर, डियर एंड जेब्रास। उनकी स्किन होती है, तो उनकी स्किन से वो अपने आप को एनिमीज और शिकार से छुपने में हेल्प लेते हैं। इस चैप्टर में हमने सीखा कि कुछ एनिमल्स अपने बेबीज को जन्म देते हैं, जैसे कि काऊ, डॉग, हॉर्स, और कुछ एनिमल अंडों के रूप में अपने बच्चों को जन्म देते हैं, जैसे कि स्नेक, पैरोट्स, बर्ड्स वगैरह। तो इस तरह से हमने इस चैप्टर में सभी एनिमल्स और क्रिएचर्स की लाइफ के बारे में जाना। थैंक यू।